Aandal, her sweet name, brings the picture of a pretty little girl. Her divine chants or pasharams reverberate the sounds of a temple bell. Her loving devotion to Krishna resonates with melody and harmony in our hearts. Aandal was an incarnation of Bhudevi or Mother Earth. She was a graceful little girl who composed and sang divine chants called pasharams in loving devotion to Lord Krishna. She incarnated on earth in the early part of Kali Yuga in the Tamil month of Adi, which is from mid-July to mid-August, in the nakshatra or star called Puram or Purva Palguni. Aandal manifested from Mother Earth as an infant in a Tulsi grove in Vatapatrashai temple at Srivilliputtur in Tamil Nadu. There was a Vedic scholar and divine poet named Vishnu Chitta, who is also known as Periyarvar, in Srivilliputtur. He was very devoted to Lord Vatapatrashai and served at the temple, offering flower garlands. He composed and sang many divine chants called pasharams on Lord Krishna. One day, while collecting flowers in the garden of the temple, Periyarvar or Vishnu Chitta found the divine little baby girl in the Tulsi grove. He was delighted and named her as Goda or Kodai in Tamil, meaning garland of flowers. Goda grew up under the loving care of Periyarvar. She was very fond of Lord Krishna and was always imagining herself to be a Gopika living in Vrindavan, although she was in Srivilliputtur. She loved adorning herself with flower garlands. Periyarvar made flower garlands for Lord Krishna, that is Lord Vatapatrashai, at the temple every day. Goda was innocently wearing the garland meant for Lord Krishna before it was offered to him. One day, Periyarvar found out about this and he was disappointed, so he did not offer the garland to the Lord. He made a new one instead. But Lord Krishna appeared in Periyarvar's dream that the garland worn by Goda was the one that he liked to wear. So immediately the next day, Periyarvar adorned Lord Krishna with Goda's garland. Periyarvar was happy and full of joy with Goda. He gave her another beautiful name, Aandal, meaning one who is deeply devoted to the Lord. It is interesting to note that Lord Krishna, in his Bhagavad Gita, chapter 7, has said, Vasudeva Sarvamiti Samahatma Sudurlabhaha. It means that it is very rare to find a special gem of a soul who is in full knowledge and awareness of the Lord and is totally in loving devotion to Him. The Lord makes Himself bound by the love and devotion of such a rare devotee. One such precious gem was little Aandal. Aandal is known by various names, Goda and Kodai, meaning a garland of flowers, Shudi Nachiyar, meaning the little girl who adorned the garland of flowers and offered it to the Lord, Padavalla Nachiyar, meaning the sweet girl who sang divine songs to the Lord, Vishwambhara, one who supports the universe, Yatiraja Sahodari, one who is like a younger sister to Yatiraja or Swami Ramanujacharya, Vishnu Chitta Tanaya, the daughter of Vishnu Chitta. The two beautiful devotional songs that Aandal offered to Lord Krishna are Tirupavai, a garland of 30 Pashurams, and Nachiyar Tirumuri, a garland of 143 Pashurams. Aandal's Pashurams, or divine verses, portray the essence of the Vedas, flowing through her with heartfelt devotion to Lord Krishna. Singing these divine songs, Aandal attained the divine abode of the Lord. Aandal's life was full of devotion and dedication to Lord Krishna, who is an avatar of Sriman Narayana, enshrined as Sri Ranganatha in Sri Rangam temple. By the divine grace of Lord Sri Ranganatha, Periyarvar takes Aandal to Sri Rangam temple. Aandal enters the sanctum sanctorum of the Lord and is finally merged unto him. In the Srivilliputtur temple of Lord Vatapatrashai, where Aandal incarnated many years ago, she is still residing, enshrined as Aandal in her Archa or deity form, together with Lord Krishna as Rangamannar in his Archa or deity form. Both Aandal and Rangamannar shower their divine blessings and grace on all those who visit the temple. In her Pashurams, Aandal selflessly requests the Lord to bless all of his creation in this entire world with abundant prosperity and well-being. Chanting Aandal's Pashurams or even listening to them leads one to deeper knowledge and awareness with love and gratefulness towards the Supreme Divine. It is therefore befitting to show our heartfelt gratitude and love to Aandal, a divine incarnation of Mother Earth, for her immense patience, love, and compassion showered on us all by offering our best attention and care towards our dear Mother Earth. Thank you.